I'm going to start working on my shop over to the right-hand side underneath my furnace. These are all the pads and blankets that I protect my furniture with. So I'm just trying to get them out of the way. There's a lot of scraps of wood that I'm putting on my workbench. I'm going to go through that stuff to see if I really need it. I had to buy some wood for the base of a dresser. These are table legs I have stashed. I think I'm going to try to get rid of them or sell them. These are bed posts. I think I might cut them down and maybe make something decorative for my farmer's porch. Yeah, just giving it a little vacuum. I have little critters that come in and visit me. So I'm going to move some things out of the way. Stuff that I have to go through. I have a gate leg table that you'll see in a second. I'm going to move this over to the window and then cover it. And then generally I will put items on top once I've covered it, and then I'll cover the items after that because my shop is so dusty, everything has to stay covered. So here I am covering it. I will put the small desk in there. I will put the chairs inside the desk. I will put the small nightstand over there. Well, I don't want to make this video, there's the heater. I don't want to make the video too long, so I will see you guys in the next part. All right, this is what I got done so far. This is out. Got this moved over. And I made a space back here. That I'm going to take out next to fix. This is going to go turn around sideways. We're just trying to get my shop in order here. All right, stay tuned.